halt here. So where we can halt? Here. So here is the place. Company built a huge warehouse nearby. So where company built a house? Warehouse nearby. So nearby will be that. They will meet you in a hotel. Where they are going to meet you? In a hotel. So that will be the adverb of place. Put the cake there. So where you have to put the cake? There. So that is the adverb of place. Almost is also here is having the meaning nearly. So here almost is the adverb of frequency. Okay. Now Ravi never tells lie. So it is also, or Ritesh never smokes. So these are also never here are the adverbs of frequency. Then the last two, adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tells us in the degree or to the extent to which something occurs or will occur or occurred. It also can be referred as adverb of quantity. It answers the question how much, okay, or to which degree. Let's see some examples. Ria was very tired. So how much tired? Very tired. So the words very, fully, partly, little, enough, rather, etc. comes in this category. Here nearly. So here it is also adverb of degree. Now come to interrogative adverb. So interrogative means asking questions. Okay. So this includes words why, how, when, etc. Question asking. When did Neha come? So when is the adverb of frequency. Where did she go? How often do you visit them? How often do you visit your dentist? So these all are the adverbs of frequency. Now there is a book exercise for you to solve as classwork. Let's learn about frequency. Adverb of frequency. So it answers the question how many times. So when the action will occur or occurred or occurs. So this includes the word daily, sometimes, often, seldom, usually. Okay, so here also daily is used. So you have to see at what is the intention of the words is being used. Okay, then you can put it. He struck the ball twice. How many times he struck the ball? Twice, means 2 times. He seldom visits his uncle's place. So he sometime only, very rarely he visits his uncle's place. So that also tells you the adverb of time. They had almost 50 cars when they were rich. So what will be the adverb of frequency here? Tell me. Now let's see adverb of time. It tells us about the time of action. The adverb answers the question when or at what time. So these includes the word tomorrow, today, yesterday, now, then, never, so on, already, ago, immediately, formally, lately, etc. So the milkman comes to our house daily. So when the milkman comes, so he comes daily. So it is the adverb of time. She wakes up early. When she wakes up early, so it will be the adverb of time. Ria will come tomorrow. Again it will be the adverb of time. So may I go now? That will be the adverb of time. So let's recap, and you have to write the definition of an adverb. Then you have to write the definitions of the kinds of the adverb. And let's recap about the kinds once more before solving the verb. Adverb of time answers the question when. Adverb of place answers the question where. Adverb of manner answers the question how. Then adverb of frequency answers the question how often. Adverbs of degree or extent or quantity ask the question to what extent or how much. Interrogative adverbs ask the question, so end with the question mark. Now this exercise you need to do. Underline the adverbs and say what kind they are in your notebook. My family lives there. Divya was absent yesterday. I am seldom late. She sang softly to the child. The sweets are nearly finished. Why are you so happy? It's quite cold. It is quite cold. I do yoga thrice a week. Ruchi will be here tomorrow. The train does not stop here.